This product's price does change often. Be sure and check out the link down below in the description to see what kind of price you can get for it. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at these Arm & Hammer laundry packs. Now in this video, we're gonna talk a little bit about these laundry packs and help you know what you can expect when you get them. Now this is the bag that the laundry packs come in right here. I appreciate that they have kind of this unique zipper up top that is a little bit difficult to open. I really am glad that they added that to this laundry packs a little bag here, but I wanted to show you, you'll notice we get 72 packs here in this bag, and it does include some OxiClean stain fighters as well, which I thought was really cool that they added that to these laundry packs. Now if we open up the bag, you can see this is what it looks like on the inside. You've got those individual packs there, again 72 of those, and if we take a look, I've actually pulled one out. You can see this is the size of it. It is just roughly the size of kind of your typical laundry little pod or pack there, but I really like the fact that this does have Arm & Hammer and also OxiClean in it. Like it says up here, it works great with musty towels, body odor, and sweat. These do have I've had a great experience with Arm & Hammer laundry detergent in the past, and so I'm super excited to try these out, and I really think they're gonna work great. And for that reason, I would highly recommend them. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.